Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Instagram cannot add gaming links. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. Go to your profile and click on the top right triple lines icon. Now, what you want to do is simply go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find the account type. So it's going to be called switch account type. If you're not a creator or business account, simply go ahead and switch to it, and then it will allow you to add clickable links. If you are a creator or business account and it's still facing that problem, then the first thing you want to do is open your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and click on the application and click on the update button if there are any updates available. If not, simply uninstall and reinstall the application, which will definitely fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.